Hello there, my friends. So fading out on GarageBand is super easy. Fading in is not. So let's just cover fading in. Uh, if you need me to, I'll do fading out in another video. So fading in, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your song is in the timeline. So these are the loops. You want to hit this icon right here and make sure it's in the timeline, right? And you're at the beginning of your song, so go right back to the beginning in case you're like up here somewhere. Back to the beginning. Pick the track that you want to fade in. So we're going to do both of these, right? But you can't do them at the same time. So you have to pick one of the tracks, click on the instrument icon, go to automation, all right? So automation is going to like widen the track so you can see. This line in the middle is the volume level. Now you can change the entire volume level by moving it up and down. See, but I don't want to do that. I want it to be back like right where it was. So if you do something like that, hit undo, and it'll go right back to where it was. So you're good. And so hit the instrument icon. Right here, unlock this pencil tool. Okay, so it looks like you press on it and then you can use it, but it's a slider. That confused the heck out of me at first. Slide it. Now the pencil tool is unlocked, okay? If you press on this while it's locked, it gives you a hint. Tap to add or delete events. So unlock the pencil tool. On your finger is a pencil. Press somewhere on the timeline. Now you've made an event, all right? A point where the volume is going to be here. Here's an event at the beginning. Here's an event at this point in time on the timeline. See what I'm saying? If you don't, put it in the comments. I'll try to explain better. So take this point here, come on, and drag it down to 0 or negative. All right. So now the volume is going to start low and it's going to go up here. So let's play this track. Okay. But the problem is I've also got this one here too. So bring this, hit undo. So bring this over here so you know where you're going. Page up. This is unlocked. We want to make a data point. You want to press this one now. Instrument. No, we want that data point to be right here where that one is. Same, right? So we've got our volume point here, our volume point here. So we want to drag this volume point down. So now they should both fade in, right? This is the only two tracks that are going right now, I think. Hit lock. Yeah, those are the only two tracks. Go back to the beginning of the song. Now it should fade in. Did you get that? So instead of it just starting, right, like bing, it's got to fade in now. So that's pretty good. Actually, I think though this pulsing right here, I don't really care for that right off the bat, because when it fades in, it's kind of jarring. What if we take this track? Okay, let's hit done. So this one's fading in. This one though, maybe we'll take this, grab it here, move it up a little bit so it doesn't kick in until about there. Let's see what happens then. Go back to the beginning. That's better. So this track fades in and then this starts. Ready? That's better. I can live with that. So basically, That's how you fade in. You have to actually get into the automation. You have to find the volume bar, and then you have to manually manipulate that. You have to create another event point, and you have to lower the volume at the beginning of it, and then it hits the event point, and it goes back to normal volume. I feel like I don't know that I explained that well. So if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see if I can do better on the next one. If this had any value at all to you, please smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Have a great day.